Exit strategies. What's that saying, Green?
Exit.
Boom, right?
Very good.
Always count the exits of the places that you enter the most. Grocery stores, gas station, whatever it is, count the exits. Because that is important when it comes to planning your exit strategy. If there's an active shooter event, if it's a flash flood, whatever the situation is, you need to figure out the closest one to you. If you can walk that to that exit, that's great when it's nice and calm. When you have to run, it's different. You have to traverse tables, chairs, and whatever to get to it. In a crisis situation, such as a natural disaster or something like that, avoid glass. Because glass can be broken and shattered, and you don't want that. Some people, when they're in that tunnel vision moment, that fight, fright, or freeze moment, they don't even put their hand out to open the door. They just run straight, and the body will open it because their mind shuts off. They heard